Okay, so I thought we're in the airport. Might as well vlog this, right? Why not? What better time to vlog than in the airport, right? So, this is the story. My flight was delayed due to a storm. First of all, let me back up. So, I was on a plane in Austin, Texas, to catch a flight to Atlanta, Georgia, with a connection flight to Florida, Orlando. So, first delay number one, weather in Austin prevented our flight from taking off because there was thunderstorm, lightning within 3 miles of the airport. Delay number two, Atlanta had bad weather. So we are sitting on, can't go anywhere, so we had a 2-hour delay. Well, my connected flight, when I landed in Orlando, we were sitting on the runway waiting for space to land, right? Because planes were all backed up, everybody was running late, everybody was behind, and we could not pull up to our gate, right? So by the time I got off the plane, my flight to Orlando had already left me. So the process now, it is now 1 o'clock in the morning. My plane landed at 10:30 at night, and I'm still in the airport waiting for the Delta help desk. Okay, so let me tell you how the Delta help desk works, because it's not very helpful, okay? So, I'm going to turn the camera around. So you have to go up to one of these signs, and you have to scan that QR code, okay? And when you scan that QR code, it puts you on a waiting list. And actually, it is the waiting list forever, right? This is like the never-ending waiting list, because I got my number at 11 o'clock, and my number was 186. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning, and my number is 41. I am in line for a hotel voucher because my flight has left me stranded in the airport for more than 3 hours and during the evening hours. Nothing in the airport is open to get anything to eat or drink, so you're at the mercy of the help desk, which is not very helpful. But there are some vending machines. Now, I say that there's nothing to eat or drink. There is vending machines, that you can buy you a snack in a vending machine, right? So it's probably going to be another hour before my number is called at the help desk for me to get a hotel voucher. And I'm already exhausted. And I have to be back at the airport in exactly 9 hours from now. So it's another hour before I can get a hotel voucher, and then I have to be back to the airport 2 hours before my flight, which now is going to put it at 5 or 6 hours. So I will get a hotel and an hour to the hotel, check in, that kind of thing. So I'll probably get about 3 hours worth of sleep to come back to the airport. So that is the story of what happens if you're stranded in the airport.